Backed by more than 25 years of scientific expertise, the PURELL brand brings you an effective, comprehensive, germ-fighting solution for your surfaces. PURELL Foodservice Surface Sanitizer is an easy-to-use product with rapid kill times and is formulated both for non-food and food contact surfaces. This product is gentle enough to sanitize and clean a child's booster seat, booths, tables, and chairs, yet tough enough to kill norovirus. Proven and effective from the kitchen to the dining room, this revolutionary product quickly and effectively eliminates germs on surfaces, including norovirus, E. coli, and salmonella, all within 30 seconds. Using PURELL Foodservice Surface Sanitizer can help to clean and sanitize tables quickly in a high-paced restaurant environment. This product kills 27 germs within 30 seconds and dries quickly and cleanly with no streaks or sticky residue. Plus, it has no harsh fumes or chemicals that will disrupt the guest experience. PURELL Foodservice Surface Sanitizer is a one-step cleaner and sanitizer for use on food contact and non-food contact surfaces. Instructions for use on non-food contact surfaces. Remove any particles or visible soils from the surface. Apply PURELL Foodservice Surface Sanitizer 6 to 8 inches from the surface until thoroughly wet. Ensure the entire surface has come into contact with the sanitizer. Let the product stand for 30 seconds and wipe. No rinse is required. Since this product is also a disinfectant, you can use the same process to clean and disinfect your restrooms. This product provides a no trade-off protection because germ kill times are shorter than the competition, and there's no need for rinsing, which saves time. Instructions for use on food contact surfaces. Remove any particles or visible soil from the surface. Apply PURELL Foodservice Surface Sanitizer 6 to 8 inches from the surface until thoroughly wet. Ensure the entire surface has come into contact with the sanitizer. Let stand for 60 seconds. These test strips provide a simple, reliable, and economic means to measure the level of active ingredient concentration in PURELL Foodservice Surface Sanitizer. Each kit is comprised of 6 individual strips, test instructions, and a color matching chart for easy use. PURELL Foodservice Surface Sanitizer is also safe and effective to use on your back-of-house equipment. For reusable towel storage, when the reusable towel is not in use, store in the sanitizing solution. Refilling the ready-to-use spray bottles is convenient and easy with the PURELL Foodservice Surface Sanitizer gallon refill. The PURELL brand signals your facility's commitment to quality, and this product works quickly and effectively on most hard and soft surfaces. This one-step sanitizer and cleaner dissipates quickly and cleanly, with no streaks or sticky residue. The light, fragrance-free scent gives you the peace of mind to use around patrons, and with PURELL Peace of Mind, you can feel confident when your kid is being a kid. It sanitizes and cleans everywhere you need it, with no rinse required on food contact surfaces. PURELL, the name you trust for the surfaces they touch.